Today we're busting a big myth. AI does not calculate like a calculator. It doesn't think, it doesn't understand. It just predicts. Yes, like a very, very fast autocomplete. Let me show you how that works, and why something called tokens is the secret sauce behind it. Welcome to How to AI Girl. If you're trying to make AI work for you, this channel's for you, even if you're not tech savvy. Let's start with how AI, especially tools like ChatGPT, really works. It's not solving problems step by step, like a person would. It's trained on a massive pile of text, books, websites, conversations, and it learns patterns. Then, when you give it a prompt, it does this. Based on everything I've seen, what word is most likely to come next? That's it. Not the right answer, but the most likely answer. So if you write once upon a, it'll likely say time, because that's what most stories do. It's not thinking, it's just predicting the next token. Now let's talk about tokens. Tokens are pieces of words. They are how AI breaks down sentences, like Lego bricks for language. For example, artificial intelligence is amazing. AI breaks it down into tokens like this. AI use this tokenization method because it doesn't understand words the way we do. So when you type a prompt, the model doesn't think of it as a sentence. It thinks, here are 15 tokens. What's token number 16 likely to be? That's it. Not solving, not understanding, just high-speed and highly trained pattern matching. If you find this interesting, I suggest you check out this website. The link is also in the description. Let's take an example. Here's the prompt. The capital of France is Paris. The model has seen this phrase thousands of times in training data. It quickly predicts the next token is probably Paris. But if you write something like, the capital of France is croissant, it might still accept it if the style matches a joke or sarcastic tone, because it's not checking for truth. It's just making a best guess based on what comes next statistically. AI is a prediction machine, but what happens when those statistical guesses go off track? That's when we get hallucinations. It's when the model generates something fluent and confident, but factually wrong. But why does this happen? Because it is still just predicting what comes next. It doesn't have a truth-checking engine. It doesn't know what's real, only what looks likely based on training data. So if the model hasn't seen the exact answer before, it might just improvise. It's like asking your most confident friend for an answer, and even when they don't know, they will still say something that sounds right. Now, let's get to the fun part, which is how to actually make AI really work for you. Here are a few simple tips. Be specific. Instead of saying write a blog post, try write a 300-word blog post in a friendly tone for small business owners about how to save time using AI tools. The more context you give, the better the prediction. Give it examples. If you want a certain style, show it. AI learns from your samples. Break your prompt into steps. AI works best when you brief it step by step. Ask it to brainstorm ideas first, then outline, then write. Treat it like your assistant. Use follow-up questions. Think of it like a conversation, not a one-shot command. You can say, make it shorter. Use simpler words. Add emojis. It will adjust instantly. Double-check the facts. Always verify important info. If you're writing about laws, medical advice, or history, fact-check it. If you want to get better results from AI, don't miss my earlier video on effective AI prompts. You can find it on the top right corner. It's packed with easy tricks to help you write smarter and more powerful prompts. So next time someone says, AI is just doing math, you can say, not really, it's guessing what comes next at lightning speed. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment to ask what you want to learn more about AI. Remember, AI isn't magic, it's just a very confident guesser. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. AI is not thinking deep or grand, it's just predicting what feels planned. No dreams, no thoughts inside its core, just guessing words and nothing more. It breaks down speech to bits and bytes, then strings them back in clever rites. A brilliant trick, but don't be fooled. It's guessing well, not being schooled.